Hi, my name is Jacqueline. Today we focus on the perfect place to start when looking for diabetes-friendly desserts. These ingredients are sweet, tart, fresh, and healthy. You can call them nature's candy. Any guesses to what I'm talking about? You got it! Fruit. Fruit are perfect as low carbohydrate treats. Yes, they have natural sugars that can raise your blood sugar levels, but not nearly as much compared to refined carbohydrate treats, such as candies, cookies, or cakes. And with some effort, you'll see that they can be just as comforting as other treats. I have 2 quick and easy recipes to share with you, so let's get started.
Recipe number 1 is red fruit salad. This is a simple and shareable treat. Step 1. Prepare an assortment of red fruit. All 3 carbohydrates can be found in fruit: natural sugars, starches, which break down into sugar, and fiber, which is the only carbohydrate that does not break down into sugar and will not raise blood sugar levels. However, the benefit of having fruits as a snack or dessert is that they do not have as much carbohydrate as refined treats like pastries. They also have vitamins, water, and fiber. These days, we have access to a variety of fruit year-round. You may modify this red fruit salad based on fruits that are available during the season when you're buying, and based on your budget. Step 2. Combine the juice from 1 lime along with 1 to 2 teaspoons honey in a small bowl. The honey is optional. We are using honey instead of table sugar because it has such a floral flavor. We do not need to use as much to enhance the recipe compared to if we were using sugar. If you're comfortable using sugar alternatives such as erythritol or aspartame found in products like Splenda, Sugar Twin, or monk fruit sweeteners, you can use that instead. Step 3. Thinly slice some fresh mint and set it aside. Step 4. Arrange the fruit on a bowl or platter. And finally, step 5. Pour the lime mixture and fresh mint over the fruit salad and enjoy. Recipe number 2, the Fondue Table. This is another simple and delectable treat to share with others. Start by melting the chocolate. We have created a double boiler by heating a half-filled pot of water over the stove and covering it with a metal bowl. As the steam rises, the indirect heat will allow you to gently melt the chocolate without burning it. We are using dark chocolate chips, which includes less dairy, more cocoa, and oftentimes less sugar compared to milk chocolate. Stir until completely melted and set aside. On a clean table or counter, lay out a sheet of parchment paper, then cover it with a variety of delicious fruit. We are using kiwis, raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries that are high in fiber and vitamins, banana slices that are an excellent source of potassium, cranberries that are very low in carbohydrate, a source of vitamin C and pair very well with dark chocolate, and finally almonds, which are a source of protein and healthy fat. Finally, drizzle with the melted chocolate and use your hands or toothpicks as utensils. Enjoy!